Guys, welcome back to the channel. So we kind of have a midweek video this week. I'm gonna go into the importance of managing your trade. So I know a lot of times we set it and forget it, but we still need to kind of watch it throughout the week. So I basically bought a callback. I did this at work on my phone, so I'm gonna try to put the video up here and hopefully it can turn out. If I can't, I'll just explain what happened.
And guys, since I did do this kind of on the fly, I apologize for all the blackout. You are going to see a little bit of blackouts. This part only lasts for about a minute and a half.
Okay guys, we're going to select GIVO, the $10 put, and when that opens up, we'll click trade. It automatically puts it on there for us, so we're able to just go straight to this option here. And we're going to select buy to close. We sold to open, so we're going to do the opposite. We're going to buy to close. And we'll just do a market order and we'll submit this order, and we review this and place the order, and we'll go to order status to make sure that this got executed, and we'll scroll down to GIVO and we can see it did get filled, so we'll click right there on the 192. So if you saw the bid price, it was not 195, so there's a price improvement of $3, so we got it for $192. We bought it back.
So let's look at this and see exactly what we did. We sold to open the put a couple days ago, and we got the GIVO $10 put. We received a total of $109.35. We then bought that put back, and the reason I bought it back was, first let's enter this. So it cost us $192.65. We look at this, when we sold the first put, we got $109. It cost us $192.65. So we're down right now on this trade $83.30. And looking at GIVO at the time, it was under $10 when we bought it, but today the stock currently fell to $8.16. So it's sitting at $8.16, and we can see it's on a downward trend. It more than likely may continue that trend. It may not, but it may. But just so we don't get ourselves in a certain position, we're going to manage this. Looking at this, and if it stayed this way, we're going to, since we bought the $10 put, we have to buy this stock at $10. Its current which is basically $1,000 for the 100 shares. Current value is $816. That means we would have been down $184 instantly. Again, the stock may go up, but we're just managing our risk. Right now, we're just at a loss of $83.30. Now that we no longer own this stock, that money is being released since we bought it back. They'll release $1,000. If I go here to balances, we can see that we have $1,007.72. That's what we have available. So I have browsed quite a few stocks, and yes, it looks like there's a couple deals there, but I'm just not comfortable with it. And guys, this is what it's about. When you can make the choice, being able to, not be with a broker or not be with like a financial advisor or having someone else manage your money. Part of this, you managing it yourself, you can make this. Human nature, I want to make that $83 back, but I'm just looking at these stocks. We're 2 days out. It's just not worth the risk to me. I really thought I was going to flip this and roll it into another option, but I'm just going to leave it at this. I bought it back. I don't have to even worry about looking at it, and we'll explore this on next week. Hey guys, thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this. I hope you understand that you can make these choices. You can decide whether you want to buy, and you don't always have to buy. Sometimes just have patience and calmness. I mean, this is a Roth. It's a retirement account. We got time. So I'm just going to let that sit. I bought that to reduce the risk, and we'll go from there. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.